so I'm gonna pause or leave for a minute, but I'm gonna leave you to talk. So,
Oh Lord.
hang on 1 second.
Oh,
You'll be
really?
all right.
Good evening. So, you like jazz? Oh shit. You like jazz? They're stealing our honey. Do you have any idea how hard it is to be a bee? And there's jellyfish in the air. What's the deal with that? Oh God. Everything's trying to murder me. It's like high school all over again. Yeah, I went to a really weird high school. It was bad. Or maybe it was prison. And it's hard to tell the difference anymore. No, don't disappear. Oh, it's left me. And I have no one left. Oh no, fire is all around me. Oh, this is also like high school. Yeah, I didn't have a great time in high school. Oh, I got something special. Oh no, just another topaz brooch. You know what that means? Yep. I'm doing my best. Is that evident? Ba 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 da ba ba. Ba 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 da da ba da 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 da. I'm trying not to die. Cause I'm not very good at this game. Jamie, save me. How is he healing over there? What is he doing? You can't just do things like that. So, he's not here, so I can't tell him this, but I guess I'll tell all of you this. I randomly, I like to, like, when I'm in my car, I sing to myself a lot in my car. But I've gotten into this trend recently of just singing in Goofy's voice. And it's like one of my favorite things. Just with like different songs. It started with that Evanescence song, with that one cover. I think ProZD did it or something. And I just started doing it with random songs. And it makes me really happy. Oh, dude, the music in this game is such a banger. Like, ugh. Banger? I'll barely know her. Yeah, shut up. I'm dumb. I think I just made this game exponentially harder. I'm stupid.
You think you are safe from me? You are never safe.
How about the... Oh god, they're trying to kill me again. Come all the high schoolers. It's like a high school reunion. But everyone's trying to kill each other. It's like Carrie, but like, everyone's not dead. Wait, what? Hello?
What's up? Okay, so
Not much.
hang on 1 second, y'all.
Oh my god, I just got a dumb item.
We're pulling the mic a little bit closer.
You pull my mic a little bit closer or pull yours?
I'm pulling mine.
Okay. Because, I mean, I can pull my mic closer.
Oh my
I
gosh.
just don't know what's gonna happen. So yeah, no, I kind of lost my mind when you left and was just talking to myself.
It's okay. You did a good job. You did a great job.
Did I do it good? I can't see stream chat, so I don't know if I did it good.
You did good. I promise you did good.
Yay! I'm so glad I did good.
Oh my
Is my
gosh.
drone dead? No, it's not.
You will live forever.
Oh my. Chill. All right. So. All right. So we're going to continue with this, but I have an announcement that I'm going to make very shortly here. Pretty excited about it, but I'll talk more about it when we get through this level.
Yeah, this is gonna require a little bit of focus. I'm sorry if I'm not talking as much as I probably should be.
No,
I'm
no.
in like gamer mode.
If anything, you're talking probably more, which is great.
Oh, that's good.
So.
Well, whenever I play games, I talk to myself in general because I don't know, I'm like crazy or something.
Oh my gosh.
Give me another. I have 3 of these topaz things now.
That's really good. This is really
Like,
good.
what does it do? I didn't read it because I'm illiterate.
Um, every time you kill an enemy, you get an overshield that
Oh,
basically
that one.
completely protects you from damage.
I got some kind of tornado thing a little bit ago.
Tornado.
Yeah, it's like whenever I kill someone or do something, they get a fire tornado on them.
Oh, a runic flame. Yeah, that's a really good item.
Yeah, it's really stupid. It's Ooh, that didn't feel good. I don't want to go in the forever box.
Oh my gosh. What the heck?
I don't want to go to sleep. If anyone watches like Critical Role, you'll understand that.
I'm sure some people here do.
I really like D&D. What are your views on D&D?
My views on D&D?
Gnarled Woods by...
It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Oh, wait. You should come get this item that I waypointed.
Ooh, don't mind if I do.
My views on D&D. I think it's a pretty cool thing. I personally have not had phenomenal experiences with it.
Well, when you say nothing, like what's happened, just like bad DM, bad players.
Just like I felt like I was put in some awkward situations where I, as a person, wasn't comfortable playing my character.
Oh, so you ran into some...
Nothing like super strange. Just like
Felt weird.
yeah, it felt a little weird. Yeah, it wasn't like super awkward, but it was
Yeah.
personally unpleasant. So, yeah, that doesn't mean I'm completely turned off, but also like, I don't know. I feel like I'd be pretty picky about if I were to do it. I'd be kind of picky about which ones I would want to do. Like,
And I feel like that's a good mentality to have with stuff like that.
hmm
Because, yeah, I mean, the main objective of all of it is to have fun.
right, of course.
And it's not... You're not playing someone's game. You're playing a game... It's as much your game as it is the person who's running the game.
Yeah.
And, I don't know. I've
Nope.
had some DMs in the past that, like, they're good, don't get me wrong. My DMs have usually just been great. But they have a certain way they want to tell their story, and by God, that's how they're going to tell their story.
Yeah.
No matter what you do, they're telling their story that way. Have you found this the shrine yet?
No, but I haven't exactly been looking for it. I should be though.